Hello there, today I'll be taking you through the process of upgrading the RAM and the SSD on your gaming laptop. Well, in this case, the Asus TUF A15. First of all, ensure that the laptop is switched off completely. So for the process, you'll require a screwdriver and a card that you can use to pry open the laptop. And yeah, with that being said, just go ahead and start unscrewing everything, ensuring that you keep note of where each screw goes, as some screws are longer than After unscrewing, just take your card and then start prying the laptop open. And yeah, this part is a bit sketchy as you'll be hearing loud cracks, but don't be afraid, as part of the process. Just grab your RAM and then open it. The RAM goes underneath this black insulation. I think that's for heat. You just slot it in inside and then push it down. Once you hear a slight click, then it's in. For our storage, we have the Kingston 1TB. I'll just go ahead and open it up, then put it to the side because there's a little screw there which I have to unscrew, so the screw keeps the SSD in place. Once you have that screw out, just grab your SSD and then slot it in. Make sure it's all the way in, and then put back the screw and screw it back in, and then that's it. So now just go ahead and take your back cover and pop it back into place. Once you have the back cover popped back into place, you can go ahead and switch on the laptop just to ensure that everything is in place. But I trust that I did a good job, so I'll just skip that step and start screwing everything in place. Once you have everything screwed in place, now go and switch on your laptop. Just know that it may require it to be plugged in order for it to switch on. Yeah, that was the case for me. With the laptop switched on, just go ahead and search format a volume, and then for you it will appear on top. It will recognize it on the top bar. Just go ahead, initialize it, and then after create a volume, give it a label, and then that's it. I've already done this step, so I've already formatted that volume. As you can see, it's the Kingston, and I've saved it as the game storage. Now we'll just move over to the control panel and then go over to performance. We can see that the disk is available there. It's called the 0, which is the Kingston. You can also see its capacity, and then we'll go over to our memory, which is the RAM. You can see that 2 out of 2 slots were used, and now we have 24 gigs of RAM. And that's it, guys. We are done. We've just installed our RAM and our storage. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and be sure to subscribe.